Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for blogging in 2026. Yeah, if you want to write high-quality blog posts faster and rank better on search engines, this tool can seriously improve your workflow because, honestly, it combines AI writing with real-time research and sources. So first, start with topic research. Ask questions like, best blog ideas for tech in 2026 or trending niches for blogging, and Perplexity will give you insights along with sources, helping you choose topics that people are actually searching for. Next, create a strong outline. Yeah, you can ask Perplexity to generate structured headings and subheadings for your blog post, which makes your content organized and easier to read. After that, write section by section. Uh, Take each heading and ask Perplexity to expand it with detailed explanations, examples, and key points so you can build a complete article step by step. Also, if it's optimized for SEO, yeah, include relevant keywords naturally, improve readability, and make sure your content answers user intent, which helps your blog rank higher on Google. And yeah, verify information. So always check the sources provided to ensure your content is accurate and trustworthy, especially for informational or professional topics. Finally, edit and personalize. Most of the time, adding your own voice, experience, and insights makes your blog unique and more engaging, which is essential for long-term growth. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.